When should I run the data checks? We recommend running the data checks on the source data fields as early as possible. That is, before the data is compiled into meaningful information. In our dataset, we have the three source data tables or objects, namely animals, countries, and animals in countries. The data is maintained by three different stakeholders. After running our data checks on this source data, a number of gap stats are 0. The data check can be considered done if no new records are expected, as in the case of countries. More importantly, however, are the data checks where work is still required. This now shows a summary per object, data check, and owners where data gaps exist. Send the relevant information to the stakeholders of these data files for early correction. This can be in the form of the data check summary or by additionally adding the actual pivot table reflecting the gap stats. It is a good idea to do a quick visual check between the gap stats in the pivot table and the original data as a double check before sending the request for updates. We discuss how to specify data checks in How Should I Run Data Checks? In summary, by running the data checks on the source data tables early on, it ensures that our foundation is stable before we add more complicated logic.